Once you're in, your admit card will pop up as a PDF. Download it, save it, and most importantly, take a couple of clear color printouts after downloading. The first thing you must do is verify every single detail. Check your name, date of birth, photo, signature, and the exam center address and timing. If you spot any mistake, no matter how small, contact BEL's support team immediately. Don't wait until the last minute. You can find their email on the official website now. Let's talk about exam day on December 20th. You absolutely must carry the printed admit card. A soft copy on your phone won't work. Along with the admit card, you'll need an original valid photo ID like your Aadhaar card, PAN card, or driver's license, and also a photocopy of it. Plus, bring 2 recent passport-size photographs, the same ones you used for the application. You can also carry a simple blue or black ballpoint, pen, and a transparent water bottle. What should you not bring? Leave your phones, smartwatches, calculators, bags, and any study material at home. The exam hall is a strict no-gadget zone. The exam pattern consists of 2 parts. Part 1 has 100 questions from your technical subject, and Part 2 has 25 questions on general aptitude and reasoning. That's a total of 125 questions for 125 marks, and you'll have 2 hours to complete the test. Be careful, there is negative marking. You'll lose 0.25 marks for every wrong answer. So, while you wait for the 13th, keep your registration details handy, get your ID proofs ready, and continue your revision. Practice some mock tests to manage your time effectively during the exam. That's all the latest on the BEL Probationary Engineer Admit Card. Download it as soon as it's released. Check the details and get ready for your exam. All the best to everyone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.